Formwork is essential for your concrete projects, providing a solid shape and structure for your pour. Whether you're creating a slab, retaining wall or footpath, Formwork ensures your concrete is poured accurately and safely. Hi, I'm Ross and this is how you build Formwork. Let's get into it. Start by measuring out the area where you want your formwork to be built. Using spray marking paint, mark the corners of the desired rectangle or layout. Next, place stakes approximately 1 metre away from each corner mark. This offset is called a setback and it acts as a guide. The stakes remain outside your workspace, providing a clear reference point without interfering with the construction area. Check the distance between the two stakes that are in line with one another to ensure they are the same distance. Next, grab your string line and run it between your stakes to define the boundaries of your formwork. Make sure the string is tight and level. This will keep everything straight and even. Also check everything is square by ensuring the opposite corners are the same length. Next, check the ground levels. Use a spirit level to work out if you need to remove any soil or bring an extra rock to build up your area. Sometimes you will need to allow fall for water runoff, especially around your home. Once your layout is in place, it's time to select your timber. Typically 90mm by 35 to 45mm timber is suitable for most formwork jobs, but you can adjust this depending on the size of your concrete pour. Cut the timber to the lengths you need, based on the size of the area you're working with. Remember, it's important to use timber that is straight and free from defects to avoid any warping during the concrete pour. Now you can begin to secure the formwork. Place your timber pieces inside your space, following the string line. Screw each corner together using treated pine screws with an impact driver to form your frame. Make sure that the boards fasten correctly and aligned with the string line to help ensure they are straight. Next, reinforce your formwork by placing steel posts at the corners and at regular intervals along the formwork, especially for large or deep pours. These posts provide vital support to keep your formwork stable under the weight of wet concrete. Secure the timber to the steel posts using hex head screws, making adjustments as needed to keep everything level and aligned. And there you have it. You've built your formwork and now you're ready to prep for your concrete pour. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.